Hi friends, once again welcome to Tally Spotlight Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session we are going to see Tally Prime Release 2.0. File your GSTR return with the HSN summary as per the latest changes. Before getting into the session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Let us see practically Tally Prime Release 2.0 application. Currently we are using Tally Prime Release 2.0. We are in Gateway of Tally screen. Click on Go to option. We are going to search GSTR1 under GST returns. In GSTR1 return, we are going to change the period. We are going to select year 1st July to 31st July. Only one B2B transaction is there. HSN summary is not mandatory for this company. Currently, we are going to file it one service bill. Now we are going to upload GSTR1 return with the HSN summary. In the top menu bar, click on Export. In that list, click on E-Return. Export format, we can select a CSV, Excel or JSON format. We are going to select JSON format. Next, define that export folder path. Next, select that export file name. Export HSN or SAC summary and export document summary, make it yes. Next, click on send. Now the GSTR1 JSON file is available inside the Tally Prime folder. Now we are ready to file GSTR1 with the HSN summary. Let us log into GST portal. Here enter user ID, password and captcha. Click on login. We are going to file July month return. Click on return dashboard. In the file return, we need to select which financial we are filing it, which quarter we are filing it. We are going to select here July second quarter. Click on search. Detail of outward supply of goods or services, GSTR1. We are going to select prepare offline. Choose file, we are going to select JSON file under Tally Prime folder. Select that particular JSON file, click on open. Now the file is uploaded successfully without error. In case you are using lower version, in the error report it will show you HSN summary error. The validation process may take up to 15 minutes. Let us re-log in and check. Now we are going to click on prepare online. Now GSTR1 summary is ready. The table number 1 B2B transaction, we can able to see total value and tax amount. Let's see table number 12 HSN summary. HSN wise summary of outward supplies shows one transaction. Once get into that, in this screen we can able to see uploaded information. It's captured here. Let's see detail of the HSN summary by clicking on edit. SAC code captured in HSN place. For service UKC unique quantity code is not applicable. Total quantity nil. Total taxable value. Rate of tax. Central tax and state tax field as some value. We are not going to edit anything, so we are going to cancel this one. Click on proceed. Click on back. Let us file that GSTR1 return. Click on the checkbox I acknowledge and click on submit. Make sure GSTR1 information. Next, click on proceed. We can able to see the message. The submit request has been received. Please check the status in some time. After some time, refresh the page. Click on file return. Next page, click on the checkbox self declaration and select that authorized signature part. File with the EBC. Enter EBC code which is received in your registered mobile number or registered email ID. Enter EBC and click on verify. Now the GSTR1 file is successfully. You can able to see the status in that GSTR1 of GST number for the period of July 21-22 has been successfully filed. We can see acknowledgement reference number for track GST return status. I hope you may got an idea how to file GSTR1 with the HSN summary. Kindly upgrade to Tally Prime Release 2.0 if you are using older release or older version. If Tally software subscription is valid, we are eligible to upgrade latest release 2.0. I hope you may like this video and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more in future updates. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight Knowledge Sharing Session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.